What's up guys, welcome to this week's video. We've been prepping like crazy for the hurricane here in Florida. So we're gonna be dropping you with just straight DeLorean build content, no explanation, no fluff, just work. So if you guys want any explanation or any backstory on any of the stuff that we do, go ahead and check out the previous episodes. There's a lot more explanation there, but didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So we hope you enjoy this episode, all about the DeLorean and all the 3 months that we've been doing, all in this 16 minutes. No smoke.
Definitely a lot less.
Before it was smoking white like crazy. All right. Whew, that thing's loud. First little test hit. All right guys, the bumper fits perfect. The next step is to start adjusting the fenders. Ooh, look at that! Man, that's perfectly flush. Alright, so now I can just tighten it up. Completely flush. So all the way across. We're a little high over here, but right, guys, hope you enjoyed that mashup episode all about the DeLorean, and it's something different from what we normally do. But coming up the next few weeks, we're gonna be back on the CRX with Sam at Guichi Motors. We also have to be building his tow rig, which is actually an ambulance that he's got a humongous turbo with a 7.3 V8 in it, all diesel. He's gonna do a lift kit and everything, because Sam does everything real simple whenever he does anything. We also have a turbo Hayabusa coming up, a new project that we're gonna be doing, a motorcycle, so I'm pretty pumped about that. And I also have a top secret project that I know you guys are gonna lose your minds over, and I'm really pushing hard to get that on the channel very, very soon. But in the meantime, thanks for all the support, guys. Thanks for all the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. It helps a lot with the algorithm. And we'll see you next week, hopefully with a little more talking and a little bit more structure. But in the long run, we'll get it done. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace.